out of all the cities, I never thought that Vegas would be the one to give me such insight into my own personal style. Let's start at the very beginning. So Vegas. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Not really. I just wanted to go to Vegas to sit by a pool and be warm. I hadn't done that in a really long time, since before my first son was born. So, I mean, that was over 8 years ago. So I was very much looking forward to this trip. So maybe I was overthinking my packing a little bit. You know, I kept it just real basic with like 3 bottoms. Was it 3 bottoms? I think there was like a part of me that's like, do I go sexy? Do I need to be more feminine? Like, didn't really know. Like, I also with like the pool attire, it's been a long time. So it was just like a lot of being in my head where I'm like, do I go elegant? Do I just try to be a little bit more edgy? But am I trying too hard? Like, I don't know. So I just brought some stuff and got dressed.
Right. Look, something's coming. I can see you now with my red view. Touch one hand, me, man, I dare you. Leave no witnesses when I tear through. I got a few things in the AU. Young and old, anybody can get it. Anybody who listens to intercoms and attendants, get them gone, let them know this is more than a scrimmage. Something big coming, this ain't no regular business. Who gon' stop the mission? It's more than optimism, my ops can get it. I'm talking Dr. Fitness to stop the witness. It's taking y'all a minute, you gotta get it. This, that, young fireman, no plane, so fly, so plain. On fire, propane, this, that, big dog, big hair, road gain. I'm that, on fire, no games, now I'm saying. Come on, something's coming, can you feel it in the air? Something's coming, if you with us, get near. Something's coming, can you feel it in the air? Something's coming, if you with us, get near. So we arrived in early afternoon, and it took us a little bit to get our hotel room because my sister hooked us up with an upgrade with her Marriott points. Girl's a badass traveler, so we had to wait for a very special room. So yeah, by the time we got in the room, it was kind of time for dinner. And because I was feeling lazy, all I ended up doing was changing out one piece of my travel outfit, and it turned out pretty good.
I got the sauce right now. Bust down wrist, wanna floss right now. Feeling like a boss right now. Haters over there, go ahead and pipe down. Woke up today, made 100K. I wear designer like a throwaway. Ain't nobody take.
So I think the first day going to the pool was very refreshing, figuratively and quite literally. I think I realized that I really like my style. I don't know really how anything else to say it, but I think I felt more confident than I ever have, I think, poolside, even when I was like in my 20s. I think for me, part of it was I felt like I knew myself. I think because when it came to getting dressed for the pool, I ended up having a lot of fun with it and really just reminding myself of my edgy classic roots. I know myself, I know what I like, and I'm not really asking for permission to be that self. And it felt great. That was that. I don't know what else to say about it.
Woke up today, made 100K. I wear designer like a throwaway. Ain't nobody taking my ground. Running back like got the sauce right now.
Touchdown smell like Armani, champagne wings at the hotel lobby. You know I got the heat, wasabi. 4G on the rims on the whip was popping. Teeth glowing, neck rocky. The whole gang's in here, copy. I ain't worried about the tab, they got me. Show 'em how to do it tight, big, just watch me.
I got the sauce right now. Bust down wrist, wanna floss right now. Feeling like a boss right now. Haters over there, go ahead and pipe down. Woke up today, made 100K. I wear designer like a throwaway. Ain't nobody taking my ground. Running back like got the sauce right now.
Drippin', I'm hot today. Gripping up, plating his bombs away. My pockets on bulky, my jeans on free. Ballin', I'm kicking up, that's Olay. The money is calling, I'm picking up. No gatekeeping sauces, I give it up. I'm drinking out chrome on the Bentley truck. Making a killing to live it up.
I got the sauce right now. Bust down wrist, wanna floss right now. Feeling like a boss right now.
So in the end, I didn't actually wear everything that I brought, which is actually sort of, I'm not gonna lie, with my sort of packing OCD, definitely bothers me still. It sort of put me into this whole realm of like, I'm just gonna wear what I love and be who I am, and that's that. Of course, my beloved All Saints was at Cosmopolitan, the second hotel we stayed at, and it was nostalgic for so many reasons because All Saints has just always been one of my favorite stores for over a decade. The first time I went to Vegas, I shopped at that same All Saints and was just kind of in a completely different point in my life. And I ended up with a piece that I guess isn't necessarily your stereotypical, flattering piece. But I think because of its edgy classic sort of roots or foundation of its silhouette, I really, when I put them on, I felt instantly at home. So it's sort of the perfect little end to the story, a perfect end to the trip, because I felt like it put me on this path of like a confidence boost, I guess. And maybe that's what I think Vegas can be for a lot of people, because there's just so much freedom there. So it was not only like a break to just decompress, but I think it was also an opportunity for a confidence boost to kind of get me out of my normal day-to-day and put me in an environment that I'm not used to realize just how badass I am,
About this is the stripes. Oh, that's cute too. Oh, I don't know. They're totally different.
I've already worn this one.
Okay, keep that then.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And then I'll wear I have a blazer.
Yeah,
perfect. And I can wear my blazer with it.
Yep. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's so cute.
Yeah. Because I did bring like gold heels.
Oh, those are so cute.
But I don't know if I could walk all the way to Bellagio in them.
Yeah, no, it wouldn't be worth it. They're cute. So cute. So cute, but your feet would hurt.
Yeah.
They would be. Oh, but they're cute.
I
love those because they're still dressy.
Yeah.
And then if they're comfortable for you,
I think I might still cuff them a bit more.
And the oversized blazer, so it all ties it together. Yes. Oh, turn around. You got to do that in the back. Yeah. Yeah. Cute. Perfect.
think that's it, folks. What happens in Vegas doesn't always stay in Vegas.